What's the meaning of brave? Brave. Brave.
Brave. Brave. The term brave refers to a person who displays courage, strength, and determination in the face of fear, danger, or adversity. It is an adjective used to describe someone who is willing to take risks, face challenges, and stand up for what they believe in, even if it means sacrificing their own safety or comfort. Bravery can manifest in many forms, such as confronting a bully, speaking up against injustice, or putting oneself in harm's way to protect others. Ultimately, being brave requires mental and emotional fortitude, as well as a willingness to act despite feelings of fear or uncertainty.